Oh, so you love golf. Wow, that's awesome. Oh, and you play baseball on a league? Oh, that's cool, yeah. Oh, you really love the outdoors, huh? Oh, what's my favorite outdoor activity? Probably when I go outside to grab my packages and bring them in. Hi guys, today's Dollar Tree haul is actually in place of Wednesday. I know I don't normally post on a Thursday, and this actually won't mean anything like a week from now if you're watching this video then, or just I guess at any point in time, because these videos stay up. I'm no longer making sense, but this, if you are watching live and you follow all of my videos, this is just replacing the fact that I didn't post yesterday. So I also did mention not too long ago, I think in Monday's haul, that I was going to share with you a gardening style gift basket. So that's going to be at the end of this video. If you just want some spring, early summer gift basket ideas, I got you. But first, I want to show you guys the new summer collection that Dollar Tree has finally been putting out. I've been waiting for this. Still, my stores haven't fully stocked everything. But you guys, I found such a jackpot of things I've never seen Dollar Tree do before, and I'm here to share it with you. I'm gonna show you guys some new summer, like, dinnerware, I guess, collection, and they refreshed it all, have some new prints, and let me show you what I got. So, they've put out these tumblers, I guess. What are they actually calling them? Bottles? They're just calling them bottles. And look at all of the colors I got. They did these bottles the last several years, but what's new are going to be the actual prints. Pink here, which is really pretty. I love that they match the straw color, and this one says Tropical Life. And when I say collections, I mean Dollar Tree puts out a ton of things that go with this print right here, like the Tropical Life. They do all kinds of like plates and bowls and things, but I'm just sticking to the drinkware for now. This one is my personal favorite. I love how summery it looks. The colors are beautiful, and I think that the fact that they matched it with a yellow lid and straw is honestly perfection, because these are so cute, and it just gives me like old school Coca-Cola classic vibes, you know? Purple option, which I don't even know if they did purple last year. We've got the watermelon again. But anyways, super cute. And then this lavender colored lid, which is really pretty. This is a rare color to see in a summer collection from Dollar Tree, so love that. And then here we are with a green. And in this instance, I think green was the perfect color as well. So we've got a blend of oranges and kiwi. Super cute. And then the green lid and straw. With these specific bottle drinkwares that Dollar Tree puts out for summer, they usually do about 6 to the collection. I just showed you guys 4. There's probably more. I imagine that there's one with a blue lid for sure, and I haven't quite found that yet. Yeah, my Dollar Trees are still kind of stocking, so the full collection is not out yet, but there was still enough that blew me away, this being one of them. This is definitely brand new, 2021, plastic. Does not say that it's BPA free, and you cannot put this in the dishwasher. So this is hand wash only, and I would definitely follow that because you don't want to open up your dishwasher and this whole thing has melted. Really cute because it has some like watermelons, and instead of using this as drinkware, if you don't want to do that, you could just use this as like a center arrangement. Maybe put some florals, you know, if you're going to do like an outdoor barbecue or something. Then they did this one. I've never seen a Dollar Tree do a drink or a cup like this for the summer collection. I've seen them do something similar for like kids cups, but not in the summer collection quite like this. So we've got, again, with the watermelons, You Make Life So Sweet. It's interesting. I'm wondering if watermelon is going to be like the main theme that we're going to see from Dollar Tree this year in 2021. Again, plastic has that green tint. Then they did the red. And then this is on the outside too, by the way. I don't know if you can see it, but this straw is on the outside and then it feeds to the inside of the cup right there. I believe I took some photos And if I did, I'm going to start throwing up some pictures just so that you guys can see what I mean by collections, because there's just so much. And I have to say, when I go shopping at Dollar Tree, I do get overwhelmed. And you guys, I've been shopping at the store for over 20 years. And I've been showcasing items for you guys on YouTube for like 6-7 years, a really long time. And I still honestly do not get used to shopping there. So I usually always grab things that I find to be like the most amazing for me for $1 that I want to share with you. And then when I bring it home, I then kind of decide, oh, what else do I want from that collection for my own personal stash, if that makes sense. This being one of them. So they have these tumblers. Are they calling these tumblers? Yeah. They have these tumblers, but they also have matching plates, bowls. They have like the drying mats. They have other cups that go with the collection, all kinds of things. But I just focused basically on grabbing all the cup items. This one says Tropical Life. And what I'm loving about this is just how vibrant the color is. Look at that. And I also love the decals that they put on this year. Simple, but also very pretty. I think it's well done. Sometimes I feel like Dollar Tree can ruin some things with certain patterns and prints. Then this one is probably my favorite. Life is a beach, enjoy the waves. All new sayings. They did not do this last year, so also completely brand new, but I feel like they hit it out of the park with these. And then we've got Hello Sweet Summer in the red with the watermelon. All right, I'm gonna bring this cup back for just a second because they did another tumbler to go along with this one, part of the collection of Tropical Life. So you're gonna find all kinds of things with this. I have never, look at the size of this thing. They've never done this. Not once. I mean, this is completely massive. You can see that it says Tropical Life. So it's a cute little set that matches. And then they just have the straw like that, which I really like that they did that. So you can just kind of close your straw like that, which is really awesome. So they've got that extra slot there. And then here's your straw. Really cool. The matching lid. This is a massive cup, you guys, and this is so exciting. It wasn't bonus or anything, so this item is $1. And honestly, all it tells me is, yes, Dollar Tree, you can do bigger things for $1. So let's kind of see what else you have. So the watermelon. What? You should have seen the look on my face. They might have done something very similar to this last year. Hello Sweet Summer. I don't think they used that phrase last year for the watermelon. You've got the same concept again here. You can just kind of close this in. This is massive. Also, what I love about this too is the size is going to be great if you want to like use this as a unique way to do a gift basket, because you can just fill this up with all kinds of goodies. You know what I mean? You could fill this up with like packets of Kool-Aid or teas, or you know, you could add gift cards. Like, you could just do so much in these, and it would just be the cutest way to give a gift. So love that. And then the beach one, of course, is going to be my favorite. Yes, they did. Oh my gosh, this is $1. That's just, it's amazing, honestly. And they have the same phrase here, life is a beach, enjoy the waves. Love that. Because I think this one's just really good. This blue one is chef's kiss. Oh, I think, honestly, I think that the beach one is going to be what I'm going to go back and kind of complete the collection. Then they did this. What in the... You guys, this is really cute. Again, it could be a great idea for a gift basket, but also really cute too if you're going to do some type of party theme. Maybe it's an ice cream bar or something. These are going to be cute as just like table decorations as well. So definitely think about that. I only found them in these two colors. You can see that they also mix and matched the lids. So you could do this. The flushed white, the flushed pink. So pretty, but I do actually prefer it the way that they had it. Anyways, super cute. I mean, look how massive these are. The print on the cup looks like a cone. The prints are the exact same. There's only one word, honestly, for me, but it's just iconic. I think Dollar Tree doing that is just so amazing, and it's making me just insanely excited to see the rest of this collection. They also did, I don't know if actually this is supposed to be part of this collection or not. I feel like it is, but they also put out a ton of paper plates and napkin sets. So let me show you. We've got the lemon theme, which they did this last year. And I feel like this is the exact same print as well. We've got the orange. Let's show you guys the two together. The watermelon, which the watermelon is so beautiful. Like, this is just absolutely insane. And this is why I kind of wonder that I think this could be part of the whole theme, because then they did sweet little ice cream cone plates. This is going to be a must pick up again if you're going to be doing some type of party, maybe for your little ones, going to have a cute little ice cream theme. Look how cute this is with the sprinkles. I just wish there was like a white vanilla with like colorful sprinkles. Did they do that, by the way? Well, they did it on the napkin, but they did like pink or strawberry ice cream. These items I know was out last year for 2020, but I can't quite remember if they've made some type of minor update, but I feel like the cherry looks exactly the same. They could have made it a little bit larger. And then we've got a rainbow, which they did a rainbow last year. And then we've got the really cute sun. The bright sun, super pretty. They did this one last year as well, but I just want to point out that these are going to be great for DIYs as well, you know, especially if you're going to be into like cherry decor. I follow this account called Crumpets Home Decor or something like that. I'll link it down below. And I think on Instagram she just posted like an entire cherry themed summer decor in her kitchen, and it was darling. I just did mine, by the way, but I did lemons and limes, so I'll link it down below in case you want to see that. But I'll link the Instagram account that I'm talking about below if you want to go pop over and see what I'm talking about. But you could look at this from a decor standpoint. These would be cute to kind of peel off of this and maybe put it on a tier tray. You could also maybe like hot glue it to a cup or a bowl for a tier tray. I did something very similar to that with Dollar Tree and Valentine's Day. I just peeled off a little like heart sticker and I put it on a Dollar Tree mug, and it was just purely for decorative purposes, just to throw some ideas out there for you guys. So these are really cute, but I also thought care packages with these. I thought about, again, plucking it off of the little ring there and then just gluing it down to the inside of the care package as like a theme. As a matter of fact, while I was at Dollar Tree, I contemplated this one for my daughter's care package that I think you guys will see soon. It's supposed to be Sunday's video, but I'm not sure if I'll be ready by then. But anyways, I thought, oh, let me do a sunshine, you're my sunshine kind of theme. And I saw this, but then I'm actually gonna go with butterflies. So you guys are gonna see that soon. But just to give you guys some ideas that you could use these little plaques, you know, in a different way. Some more ideas for you guys. And then we've got the summer, we've got the summer decor signs. I'm expecting to see more. This is more from their like tiki tropical collection. I'm kind of hoping there's gonna be something not as party formal, but these are really cute. And the first time I've ever seen them put the tiki gang in a Jeep. It's a Jeep, which is so brilliant and genius because they could have done the farmhouse truck, but I think a Jeep is more Hawaiian, more tropical, and like that detail did not go unnoticed for me. So absolutely love it. There's a lot of great detail to this as well. Look at the Jeep. It has the print I love that both of the arrows say something different. All right, now I'm gonna show you guys a couple of items that you're gonna see as part of the gardening gift basket. So before we get into that part of the video, I'm gonna show you guys some other items that I picked up. I'm gonna do a purple theme. You guys know I love doing color themes. Anyways, so I picked up a watering can. So I went with purple. And then I picked up the kneeling pad. You can see it has the gardening label from Dollar Tree. They make these in several different colors. So we did purple there. And then I also picked up some of the gardening tools. This is why I love Dollar Tree. They do these little collections, some of them mini, some of them large. And we've got the two with the purple handle. Absolutely love it. And then they've got even the 7 pattern spray nozzle with the purple color as well. And then for fun, I thought it might be really pretty to add some faux floral just to give it that extra note, you know, that you add to a gift basket, whether it being like a ribbon of some sort or you wrap it up in like the clear packaging and tie a ribbon. Instead of doing that for the gardening, I thought that I could communicate a beautiful gift, if you will, with the use of a piece of faux flower, and I went with, of course, purple. All right, so that is the full entire haul for today. If you guys enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. And now we're gonna get into the gift basket.